Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sundari May, Sonoma County's health officer, and I'm here to share the latest updates on coronavirus in Sonoma County with you. As of May 7th, today, we have 286 confirmed cases, up 14 in the last 24 hours. 109 of them are active, down 32 in the last 24 hours, and 153 are recovered, up 32 in the last 24 hours. We still have the 3 deaths that we've reported, and we've done over 8,000 coronavirus tests to date, up 82 in the last 24 hours. Today, I have a very important update on the county drive-through testing at the Sonoma County Public Health Lab. We originally started by testing all healthcare workers, symptomatic and asymptomatic, and then all first responders, symptomatic or asymptomatic. We have now increased our priority to include symptomatic people over age 65 and symptomatic people with underlying health conditions. We still request that those people who are asymptomatic over 65 and those with underlying health conditions that are asymptomatic do not drive through at Sonoma County Public Health Lab. We're also now expanding the criteria for testing to essential workers. This would include all essential workers with or without symptoms, grocery store workers, in-home supportive service caregivers, construction workers, utility workers, childcare providers, or anyone who has continued to work under the shelter-in-place health order in an essential function. Again, with or without symptoms, you're welcome to come to the drive-through testing that the county is offering. Testing is free, and people in these groups I've just mentioned should call 707-565-4667 to make an appointment with the county's drive-through testing. I'd also like to add, for those individuals that have had testing and are awaiting results, there is a delay in giving results, especially the negative results. So stay tuned. We'll be calling you with your test results soon. Other individuals that have symptoms of coronavirus should still contact their medical providers to seek treatment and testing. Another announcement, we have received the updated recommendations from the state order today, and we are carefully reviewing it to determine what we can adjust to better align with the state order while preserving public health. One of the first areas where shelter-in-place will be loosened is for retail businesses of all types to be able to sell at the curbside or to deliver. And that will be part of the order that we'll be releasing here shortly. Additionally, we are working with our local businesses to plan for a safe, gradual reopening in Sonoma County so we can adapt quickly with the state and when our key indicators allow us to ease the current orders. Again, this is the reason, as I've stated before, that we don't have an end date to our order, so we can be flexible and nimble and change our order as necessary moving forward. A reminder, doctor's offices, clinics, and emergency rooms are still open and available if you're sick and need medical care. Medical providers are taking necessary mitigation measures, including screening, wearing masks, and requiring that patients wear facial coverings, maintaining the social or physical distancing, and frequently cleaning and disinfecting spaces and facilities. If you are sick and you need medical care, please do go to the doctor in the emergency room if needed. We want everyone to stay safe and healthy. So now to our community questions. How do you decide which businesses can and cannot open next, such as why plant nurseries but not dog groomers? This is decided by the level of risk associated with operating as well as need. We'll start by opening what are defined as lower risk businesses and workplaces where there's less risk of spreading COVID-19. This includes businesses that can enact mitigation measures through curbside pickup and keeping workers and customers 6 feet apart for the social physical distancing guidelines. Stage 3 of the reopening will include what are considered higher risk workplaces where it's more difficult to mitigate for transmission of COVID-19. This includes businesses like hair and nail salons and gyms. So please stay safe and stay healthy, and we will talk again tomorrow. Thank you.